Welcome to today's session on what is digital marketing. In our increasingly digital world, understanding how businesses connect with audiences online is crucial. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or marketing enthusiast, this session will provide valuable insights into the digital marketing landscape. Understanding digital marketing. So, what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to the promotion of products or services using digital channels such as websites, social media, email, search engines, and mobile apps. Unlike traditional marketing, which relies on mediums like print or television, digital marketing leverages the internet and electronic devices to reach consumers. IBM. Key characteristics. Interactivity. Engages users through likes, shares, comments, and direct messages. Measurability allows tracking of campaign performance in real time. Targeting enables precise audience segmentation based on demographics, behavior, and interests. Digital marketing is essential for businesses aiming to expand their reach and engage with customers effectively in today's digital age. Types of digital marketing. Digital marketing encompasses various strategies. Let's explore the primary types. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO, or enhancing website visibility on search engines like Google, or focuses on keywords, content quality, and site structure. 2. Content marketing, or creating valuable content to attract and retain audiences, or includes blogs, videos, infographics, and podcasts. 3. Social media marketing, SMM, or promoting content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, or engages users through posts, stories, and ads. 4. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, so paid ads that appear on search engines and websites, or advertisers pay each time their ad is clicked. 5. Email marketing, or sending targeted emails to nurture leads and communicate with customers, or effective for promotions, newsletters, and personalized messages. 6. Affiliate marketing, or collaborating with partners who promote your products for a commission, or common in influencer and blogger partnerships. 7. Influencer marketing, or leveraging individuals with a significant online following to promote products, or builds trust and reaches niche audiences. Web. 8. Mobile marketing, or engaging users through SMS, app notifications, and mobile optimized content, or crucial as mobile device usage continues to rise. 9. Video marketing, utilizing videos to inform, entertain, and promote, or platforms include YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. 10. Web analytics, or analyzing data to understand user behavior and campaign performance. Or tools like Google Analytics provide insights for optimization. Benefits of digital marketing. Why should businesses invest in digital marketing? Here are some compelling reasons. Global reach. Connect with audiences worldwide, breaking geographical barriers. Cost-effective. Often more affordable than traditional marketing methods. Personalization. Tailor messages to specific audience segments for better engagement. Measurable results. Track ROI and adjust strategies in real time. Higher engagement. Interactive content fosters stronger customer relationships. Challenges in digital marketing. Despite its advantages, digital marketing presents certain challenges. High competition. Standing out in a saturated digital space requires creativity and strategy. Rapid technological changes. Keeping up with evolving platforms and algorithms is demanding. Data privacy concerns. Navigating regulations like GDPR requires careful data handling. Content overload. Ensuring your content captures attention amidst abundant information. Real-world applications. Let's look at how digital marketing is applied in real-world scenarios. E-commerce brands uses SEO and PPC to drive traffic and sales. Local businesses leverage social media to engage with the community. Nonprofits utilize email campaigns to raise awareness and funds. Startups implement content marketing to establish authority and attract investors. Future trends in digital marketing. Looking ahead, several trends are shaping the future of digital marketing. Artificial intelligence, AI, enhancing personalization, and predictive analytics. Voice search optimization, adapting content for voice-activated devices. Interactive content, incorporating quizzes, polls, and interactive videos. Sustainability marketing, highlighting eco-friendly practices to appeal to conscious consumers. Conclusion: digital marketing is an ever-evolving field that offers immense opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. By understanding its components, benefits, and challenges, you can craft strategies that resonate with your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. Thank you for joining us today.